well. You know, I make my own hours. I get up when I want to. I meet with you guys. I get to spread my passion of data science, you know, all around the world. So yes, it's pre-Friday, but for me, every day is a Friday now. So I hope the same for you guys. But yeah, you know, it's been a good week, Joseph. So thanks for asking. Fatima, our good friend Fatima from Morocco says, "Hey sir, hey Fatima, how are you? Hope you're doing well." Um, is it Kang? Kang, I think it's your first time, so welcome to the stream. Good morning, Des. Good morning to you too. Hope you're doing well, Kang. Let us know where you're checking in from. Yassine, our good friend Yassine says, "Hello sir, Yassine from Tangier, Morocco." Welcome, Yassine. Hope you're doing well out there. Hope you're getting out to the beach and enjoying the beautiful parts of Tangier. Dennis, when will we I can't read today. When will Okay, that's why I can't read it, because I'm trying to read it. When will we be conducting an online together project, the one you were talking about, when we can all get together and do a project? Yeah, you know, that's a great question. Thank you so much for bringing that up, because I was thinking about that yesterday. All right, guys, so I know some of you are new. So Silly Caddy is referring to the Sunday tutorials that I do. Every Sunday I try to pick like a series or a tutorial or something that we can do as a little bit of a longer class, a little bit more of an instructional class, very similar to today. You know, today is more of us researching than it is instructional, but you know, very similar to today. But yes, I have mentioned that I want to do a series where we are going to do an entire project end to end together. I'm going to show you how an entire project comes together. So we're going to go from like the initial meetings to the idea development to the scrum planning to like the quasi technical planning and then the actual coding of the solution. Like, I'm going to show you how we used to do the ideation with my stakeholders. I'm going to show you how we did like the scrum planning at IBM. You know, IBM taught me, I'll never work for IBM again, but they taught me a lot about like scrum planning and agile planning, right? Or, you know, how we actually carried out code at other places I've worked, right? So yeah, so I definitely want to kind of show you guys that. But the challenge is that that's a very long series, right? Super long. I have an outline for it. I have an entire outline for it. I think it's going to be like 10 plus weeks to do that. So the challenge is that right now I have so many other ideas for other tutorials that I want to do, kind of like one-day tutorials. Like we've had two great ones, right? We had one on CPU versus GPU. That was great. And then last week we did Julia versus Python, and that was great. I don't think people will ever want to work with Julia again after last week. But like I have other ideas that I want to do, you know? So Silly Caddy, I haven't forgotten about it. Thank you for the reminder. I just so much good stuff, guys. So much good stuff that I want to that I really want to teach, that I'm really passionate about, right? So it's coming, Silly Caddy. I promise you'll be the first to know. I just have a lot of ideas, you know, but I'm getting there. But thank you for keeping me accountable. I appreciate that. Manoj, our good friend Manoj from Bangalore, India. Manoj, how you doing, buddy? Hope you're doing well. You're such a great, consistent supporter. See you here every day. Thank you so much for that. All right, let me skip over here. Voldemort, it's been a while. How are you? You've been gone a little bit. Maybe you also just show up for the classes, and that's cool. That's cool, you know. I like doing the daily streams, and I like taking the questions, but maybe some of you just want the classes. That's okay. Voldemort says, hello, sir. Hey, hope you're doing well, Voldemort. Welcome back. Okay, apologies, forgot to put in my nickname. Sam here, tuning in from Bangkok. Welcome, Sam. I hope you're well. It's pretty late in Bangkok, so thank you so much for staying up with us. Glad to see you here. Actually, we've had other viewers from Bangkok, but I don't think that was you. Is today your first time? I think it's your first time. But we have had other viewers from Bangkok, so hope you're doing well out there. I think it's typhoon season out there, right? I saw some stuff on TikTok about the typhoons in Vietnam, I think. I'm assuming it's typhoon season for that area, right? Like August, September. Um, Sirvan says, good morning, Dennis. Sirvan, good to see you, my friend. Hope you're doing well. I believe that you're in Delhi, but I hope you're doing well in your part of the in your part of the world. All right, guys. So again, if you're just joining us, you feel like introducing yourself, say hello, let us know how you're doing. But otherwise, I think, you know, you guys are here for the gold data. I'm here for the gold data. So I'm ready to start if you guys want to start. But yeah, so my intent is to continue the work that we did last week, because I think last week we went about 2 hours, and I had a whole other section I wanted to get to that we just didn't get to, and I think it'll be interesting. So let's do it, right? All right. So let me do some setup here. Voldemort says, I'm good, sir. I wanted to join live every day, but I can't, so I go and watch the recorded sessions, and whenever I got a chance, I appeared in your live to motivate myself. All right, cool. Thank you so much. That sounds like a good plan. You know, guys, I gotta tell you something. Working with social media has definitely busted some of my myths, you know, like some of my own personal biases, right?